Okay, so you've decided that you're going to sell your house and you need to get it ready to go on the market, and you need to get ready to move, theoretically, hopefully, right? So when you make this decision, you start looking around and think, oh my God, there's like, my camera's crooked, it's driving me nuts. You think like, oh my God, there's like 40 million things that I need to do, right? I need to touch up my walls. I need to paint. I need to declutter. I need to pack. I need to get rid of stuff. And it can be very easy to get very overwhelmed. So I've kind of, not saying I'm getting ready to sell my house, and I'm not saying I'm not. So I might be experiencing this right now and managing myself. So the way that I've found to really break it down is to look at it like, the house is going on the market. What does it have to look like? It's kind of like when we put our makeup on, right? What does it have to look like? Now, people aren't going to be going into your furniture cabinets. People aren't going to be going into your desk drawers. They are going to be going into your kitchen cabinets and your closets. But the focus should really be room to room. First, just staging. So get rid of whatever you don't need. Whatever is not going with you to your next place, just figure it out and get rid of it. Goodwill, trash, whatever it is. You can bring it to the second chance shop at the Berwick transfer station. But that's the first really order of business. After that, get it together, what you're going to stage in the room, what you're going to keep in the room. After that, go around, do whatever drywall repair, paint touch-ups, and then put the room back together. Now, don't worry about going through. I may have just like had this scenario in my head when I'm going through my office. I got real sidetracked with going through my file cabinets and getting rid of files I don't need. And I'm like, you know what? A buyer is not looking at my files. The house needs to go on the market. A buyer's looking at the room and how the room looks. So that's really how I tempered myself, and how I think it's a good way to manage yourself as a seller getting ready to get the house on the market. It's a lot, it's overwhelming, but it can be done, and it's just really focus. I'm a list person. I just have a list for every room of everything that needs to be done, and we just go through room by room and do it. If you have questions about the value of your house, if you might be looking for a house in Berwick, Maine, send me a message down here. If you are watching this on my YouTube channel, all of my contact information is below. You guys have a great day.